The future of cryptocurrency in the USA. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively young technology, yet its impact on the finance, technology, and society has already been profound. As adoption continues, the United States stands at the crossroads. The choices made by regulators, businesses, and consumers over the next decade will shape how crypto integrates into the national and global economy. This chapter explored the potential future of cryptocurrency in the US, examining trends, innovations, challenges, and opportunities. Mainstream adoption. One of the most significant future trend is increased mainstream adoption. Retail adoption. More Americans are likely to use crypto for everyday transactions including online shoppings, bill payments, and peer-to-peer transfers. Institutional participation. Banks, investment funds, and corporations are increasingly entering the crypto space, offering services like custody, trading, and investment products. Integration with payment systems. Major payment platforms may fully integrate crypto, making it a seamless option alongside traditional payment methods. As adoption grows, cryptocurrencies may become a common part of personal finance, though they are unlikely to fully replace fiat currency in the near term. Regulatory evolution. The regulatory landscape in the US will continue to evolve the key pace with crypto innovation. Clearer guidelines. Agencies like the SEC, CFTC, and IRS are expected to provide more specific rules for crypto assets, helping businesses and investors navigating compliance. Stablecoin oversight. Regulation will likely focus on ensuring stablecoins are fully backed and transparent, reducing systemic risk. CBDC development. The Federal Reserve may introduce a US digital dollar, which could complement private cryptocurrencies and provide a safe government backed digital payment option. The balance between innovation and protection will remain a central challenge for regulators as they try to foster growth while mitigating risks. Technological innovations. Cryptocurrency technology is evolving rapidly, with several innovations shaping the future: proof of stake and energy efficient protocols. Moving away from energy intensive proof of work system will reduce environmental impact and more sustainability. Layer 2 solution and scalability. Innovations like Lightning Network and other Layer 2 protocols will increase transaction speed and reduce cost, making crypto more practical for everyday use. Interoperability. Cross chain platforms will allow different blockchains to communicate, creating a more connected and versatile ecosystem. Decentralized finance expansion. DeFi will continue to grow, offering loans, insurance, derivatives, and other financial services without traditional intermediaries. These technological advances will improve usability, security, and accessibility, accelerating adoption. Institutional integration. Institutional involvement will be a key driver of crypto's future. Banks and financial institutions. Banks may offer custody, crypto backed loans, and investment products, bridging traditional finance with digital assets. Corporate adoption. Companies like Tesla, Microsoft, and PayPal have already experimented with crypto payments. More will follow as acceptance grows. Investment funds and ETFs. Traditional funds investing in crypto will increase market stability and provide safer access for retail investors. Institutional integration is likely to legitimize crypto as a recognized asset class while reducing some of the volatility associated with retail speculation. Social and cultural shift. Cryptocurrency will influence American society beyond finance. Increased finance literacy. As people engage with crypto, understanding of blockchain finance and digital asset will grow. Decentralized communities. Blockchain projects will continue to foster global, decentralized communities collaborating on governance, technology, and social causes. Redefining ownership. Crypto allows individuals to control digital assets directly, creating new concepts of ownership, digital identity, and value transfer. These cultural shifts may lead to more empowerment, innovation, and decentralization in everyday life. Global competitiveness. The US faces international competition in blockchain and crypto innovation. China and Europe. Countries are exploring CBDCs and blockchain framework, pushing for leadership in digital finance. Innovation hubs. US tech hubs like Silicon Valley and blockchain friendly state aim to attract startup and talent. Regulatory influence. Clear, balanced regulation will help the US maintain its position as a leader in crypto innovation. Global competitiveness will depend on the ability to foster innovation while providing legal clarity. Potential challenges. Despite its promise, the future of crypto faces obstacles. Security and fraud, hacks, scams, and cyber threats will continue to challenge users and businesses. Environmental impact. Energy intensive networks will remain under scrutiny unless sustainable practices are widely adopted. Volatility. While institutional participations may reduce volatility, crypto will likely remain more volatile than traditional assets. Regulatory conflicts. Differences between federal and state laws could complicate nationwide adoption. Addressing these challenges is crucial for long term stability and trust in cryptocurrency. Vision for the next decade. Looking ahead, several scenarios are possible for cryptocurrency in the US. Widespread financial integration. Crypto become a standard part of payments, savings, and investment portfolios. Government backed digital dollar, a CBDC, coexist with private cryptocurrencies providing stability and accessibility. Innovation driven economy. Blockchain based startups and DeFi platforms drive economic growth and job creation. Hybrid ecosystem. Traditional finance, crypto, and CBDCs operate in a complementary ecosystem, offering Americans choice and flexibility. The next decade is likely to be defined by adaptation, collaboration, and experimentation as the US balances innovation with security and regulation. Summary. The future of cryptocurrency in the United States is both promising and complex. Mainstream adoption, technological innovation, institutional integration, and regulatory evolution will shape its trajectory, while challenges like volatility, security, and environmental impact remain. Crypto has the potential to transform finance, empower individuals, and position the US as a global leader in digital innovation. Thus, decisions made by regulators, businesses, and users over the next few years will determine whether cryptocurrency becomes a foundational part of US financial system or remains a niche asset class.